Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Muhammad Asnan and welcome back to another video. So, today's video is highlighting a very important societal issue, and today we are going to talk about stress, and I'm going to tell you about a few stress management techniques. And if you just simply follow these techniques, you can just keep yourself away from all kind of stress and you can literally stay safe. So let's start without wasting any time by a short introduction. So, what is stress? Do you all know what is actually stress? So, stress is not a thing to worry. Rather, stress is your body's alarm system. A little stress is okay, but too much stress causes problems. Stress tells your body that you have some problem in your body, you have some problem in your lifestyle. Now, stress can affect focus, stress can affect sleep, mood, and it can affect your daily lifestyle. You can tackle this problem easily. You just need to follow a few necessary steps. Now, let's discuss about those steps, those techniques which you can follow to stay away from stress. So, the first technique is simply deep breathing. This is a short 1 minute technique which you can simply follow this daily. What you have to do is that you have to breathe in for 4 seconds and you have to hold your uh, breath for 4 seconds and then you have to breathe out for 6 seconds. Now I will also tell you how each of these steps works. So how this works is that just tell your brain that I am safe and just calm your body. You stay calm, you inhale, you exhale slowly for continuous 1 minute. So it tells your body that you are safe. So you have to continue this technique for 1 minute in order to stay calm, stay safe, stay peaceful. Now the next technique is 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. So this technique is also relatively very easy to follow. All you have to do is that you have to think of 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you can hear around you, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. Now how this works is that just bring your mind back to the present. It tells you about your senses, it calms your mind with your senses. So you use your senses and then you calm your mind. So it has the all 5 senses you have to follow. Now the next technique is time blocking, and this technique is very important for students. Now you have to manage your time. You don't have to do one thing continuously. If you're studying, you don't have to study continuously for hours, straight sitting for hours. If you are doing a phrase, then you can't take too long breaks. If you're using phone, then don't just keep on using phone for too long. Now you have to manage your time between study time, between break time, between your phone time. Now how this works is that it reduces your stress when your brain knows that you have a plan. You have a plan, so your brain is satisfied that okay, now I have to do this, now you have to do this. Go, you study for an hour, then you take a break for 30 minutes, then you use phone. You can use phone, nobody is stopping you to use phone, but don't for too long. For example, for 30 minutes, you can use phone and then continue back to your daily routine. So scheduling your day helps to reduce stress a lot. Now the fourth technique is move your body. Now no complex movement, no gym needed. This is just simple movement in your body. Just walk around 5 to 10 minutes, either in your house, either outside, no worries. Then just stretch your body. Then just do a little bit light exercise. Nobody is saying you to do heavy exercises, go sweating. Just do light exercises so at least your body has some movement. You are feeling stressed, do some exercises for 5 minutes, move your body, you will feel all okay. Now how this works is that movement releases stress chemicals from your body. All the chemicals which are building in your body, which are causing stress, movement will release those all chemicals. So this is really helpful. Now number 5 is reduce phone stress. Now we all know in today's era it's impossible to stay without phone, especially for this generation. So you can just manage your phone time. You have too many notifications in your phone, don't worry. Just follow these tips. Turn off all unnecessary notifications which you don't need. And as many people do a big mistake, they use their phone 30 minutes before sleep or 1 hour before sleep. So what you have to do is keep your phone away at least 30 minutes before sleep. to calm your mind. This will make your mind calm, and you will have a way better sleep. Now, how this works is that too much screen time causes more stress signals to the brain. So, if you will have less screen time, you will have less stress signals to the brain, so you will have automatically less stress. So, just stay away from phone, especially before sleeping, as much as you can. Now, in conclusion, you just don't have to worry if you are in stress. You just remember that feeling stressed doesn't mean at all that you are weak. Rather, it means that you are a human. Exactly. You are a human, so you feel stressed. You are a human, so your body gives you signal that something is wrong in your lifestyle. You are a human, so all this happens. So you don't need to worry. You need to change your lifestyle. You need to implement these ideas I told in order to stay away from stress as much as you can. Now, in ending, just try one of these techniques today. Stay calm, peaceful, and follow a healthy lifestyle throughout. Now, also don't forget to share this video with your friends, those who are suffering from stress, so that they can also follow these techniques. I hope so you find this video very motivating. If you did so, then don't forget to like it, subscribe my channel, and also tell me in the comments if you want further videos like this. Thanks for watching.